Cryptocurrency trading is risky, especially for those who didn't experience trading in this space. Even for professional traders, sometimes the market moves in the opposite direction, which results big losses as the market movement is unpredictable. In the middle of 2021, the market suffered a huge drop, where the Bitcoin price dropped from $64,000 to $28,000, which is more than 50%. And most of the coins had similar drops, in some cases even bigger ones. At that time, most traders were holding their coins as they did not know what to do other than waiting for the crypto market to rebound. It was during this time that we started to think out of the box and look for a solution that could allow us to continue trading and making profit, regardless of the market's fluctuations, and actually use those significant drops to our benefit. After months of intense studies and analysis, we created a trading strategy that can respond to huge market drops. As the market moves at a much faster pace than is humanly possible to analyze, it was necessary to find a way to execute trades quickly and at a moment's notice. This leads to the creation of an artificial intelligence software that can trade on our behalf and watches the market every second of the day. Our team of professionals worked diligently to develop this software. EazyBot was built with settings that apply our trading strategy with a very high speed of market monitoring. It has been tested with the preset strategy on live accounts and have been producing consistent results. Not only that, we have gone back in time using actual 2021 market data in order to test the EazyBot preset strategy throughout 2021. Most people trading in the crypto space lost value in their coins due to the huge market drops. If they had EazyBot to manage their trades, they would have enjoyed these kinds of results. Now, EazyBot will be made available to everyone to start using with zero membership fee.